I mean, whatever I say is less क्योंकि प्रशांत सावंत's been my trainer since my first film, Student of the Year. जब से मैंने कदम रखा है फिल्मों में तब से प्रशांत मेरे साथ रहे and he's been my trainer. More than a trainer, he's like a family member. He, his wife, his brother Rohan, I mean they've been by my side since day one. And आज actually मैं बहुत proud हूँ कि प्रशांत ने इतना बड़ा gym खोला है. I think it's one of the best gyms in Asia. People should come and see the type of equipment he has, the type of training he offers. He is genuinely one of the best trainers we have in India, and I think when we have him, we don't need to go outside and look for any trainers.
And how much does fitness matter?
It matters a lot more than fitness. Trainer matters. That's Prashant's logo, which is over here, and he's standing over there. So I can make a lot of fun of him also, but I'm not allowed to do that.
Thank you so much.
But I have to say that he and his wife Maya, like I said, have been by my side since day one. Prashant obviously is very busy because he has so many clients, but when he used to be busy, then Maya used to train me. When Maya used to be busy, then Rohan used to train me. But now I feel like I'm a trainer in the gym as well because I know the gym so
No,
well.
he's a pillar.
I'm a pillar, yeah.
He's. I think I'll be very thankful to Varun because of he encouraged me so much to put up this gym again. He's the one after Vatsal and all. They all are like after my like. Now he comes and Prashant, you have to do it. Now this time too you have to do it. बातें कर रहे कुछ कर नहीं रहे
हम लोग हमेशा मस्ती करते थे बिगड़ी में कि
प्रशांत
कब करेगा
Vegas when we were doing the ABCD2 when we were doing we had a very big chart for 5 hours and we like explaining what my plans and all and he said and he's coming कभी कर रहा है तू कभी कर रहा है now is the time where he really and let me tell you when he came and see my gym and he didn't expect that
I didn't honestly it's a very मेरे लिए बहुत इमोशनल मोमेंट भी है ये क्योंकि जब आप किसी के पास क्लोज होते हैं और हमारी फिल्मी टर्म में बोलते हैं कि पिक्चर हिट होती है सुपर हिट होती है पर ये तो ब्लॉकबस्टर है
he said that the first day 40 crore opening it's like that so I was very, and I really touched to to have a brother like Varun he's like my younger brother the day he came to me first time he said कि यार स्टार बनेंगे तो बात करेंगे let's work out now let's do some workout
no I have to say this thing that जब मैंने शुरू किया प्रशांत के साथ ट्रेनिंग तो उन्होंने मुझसे फीस नहीं ली थी बिगनिंग में उसने बोला था कि जब तू पैसे कमाएगा तब तू देना मुझे
I think मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि he was very honest and he came for my help and he had a body that time and I think that I thought that Varun is a genuine because I met a lot of people on the set and there is not a spot we have a lot of हम लोग के लिए काफ़ी अहमियत होती है स्पॉट बॉय की तो वो वन स्पॉट बॉय ऑल्सो डिडंट से एनीथिंग बैड थिंग अबाउट वरुण दैट रियली टच मी एंड वरुण इज अ रियली जेन्युइन पर्सन एंड वरुण मेट मी ऑन द रास्कल सेम and his dad told me like and I really touched me and I never work for money he knows that he keeps telling me that so money doesn't but Varun is a person
आपको ये जिम ज्वाइन करना होगा तो फीस तो देनी पड़ेगी फ्री के लिए बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे वरना
अभी फीस तो ले लेके जिम बनाई है मैंने तो that's okay but I think you want to say
we are family
we are family we are not like
he's always been there for us
and
supported us
बद्री हम भी हो गया अभी बद्री आ रहा है अभी बद्री आ रहा है
भाई I'll tell you I saw the promo he showed me the look and he's going to be outstanding going to be outstanding and he's looking big
fingers crossed but where Badri is concerned जो बॉडी बद्री में आप देखोगे तो that also प्रशांत has made जो बॉडी अभी जुड़वा के लिए बना रहे हैं हम लोग behind that also प्रशांत is behind that and all my food and all the meals that I'm getting are all from Lean Kitchen which Maya does and
Maya is very strict
and nutrition is done through that and one more any fitness tips I think just come and train with Prashant Sawant eat Maya Pereira's food and that's the
I think
best.
just be very I think I'll tell you behalf of him some fitness tips Varun I think we should tell that be little genuine to yourself respect your body
respect your body
that's a thing that is that's what I think really Varun is really respect his body that's what his body is what he is like he's today I think that's the thing
I think it's a teamwork
lastly मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ उसका आप जवाब देंगे कल
क्या बहुत ही ख़राब बात है, बहुत ही बुरी बात है कि हमारे देश में जहाँ आर्ट को हम लोग इतना रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ हुई है एंड इट्स वेरी शेमफुल एंड आई थिंक इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू ट्रीट हिम लाइक अ स्पेशल पर्सन, जस्ट ट्रीट हिम एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड द पुलिस शुड टेक एक्शन, द गवर्नमेंट शुड टेक एक्शन. This is horrible. He's a very respected filmmaker, very senior filmmaker who's made some great films. So you have to trust him that he's going to make Padmavati into a beautiful film, and it's just horrible. And we all stand with him, and we all stand with Sanjay. Thank you, guys.
Take a picture.
इधर लेके उधर जाओ.
वरुण भाई इधर, वरुण भाई इधर,
वरुण भाई राइट में,
वरुण भाई लेफ्ट 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 लेफ्ट, वरुण इधर, वरुण, वरुण लेफ्ट,
वरुण भाई वरुण भाई वरुण भाई देखा देखा तेरे भाई की पहचान. वरुण भाई वंस मोर, वरुण भाई, वरुण भाई बोलता वरुण भाई,
छोड़ना है.
अरे बद्रीनाथ लिखा उसने.